Oh, look at that. Cool. Sit down. Oh yeah, cool. Oh, that's awesome. Ooh, all right. Okay, right. Nice. A little spicy, okay. Trying to stay up. That was dope. Oh, look at that. Wow. Hello. I'm out here today just outside of Hurricane, Utah. Pretty sure it's called. And we are at Gooseberry Mesa. So, yeah, I've seen a lot about this place. Looks, you know, we're right outside of Zion, Natty P, and yeah, some cool techie Slickrock riding out here. So very excited. I have ridden Slickrock in Moab before, and I rode Sedona last, what was it, October? So yeah, I love this kind of stuff. Should be fun. I'm just doing the main loop out here. I think it's like north to south rim, like 10 miles, but not even like 800 feet of elevation. So we'll see. I'm gonna do the practice loop here, over to the northern side. Super cool views already. I think straight out ahead is Zion out there. I don't do a ton of national park stuff because I usually like doing the biking. So, and I don't know of any super popular biking that's actually inside of the national park. So there probably is some, but yeah. So I think I just gotta follow the white lines out here. Oh, look at that. Cool. Oh, so much grip. Alright. Cool. Gonna be a lot of that. Little pedal strike. Oh, nice. Oops. Alright, practice loop. So today is like 77 degrees out or something out here. So pretty warm, but I think in the summer you're getting in the 110s. It's kind of crazy. Yeah, lizard. I'm sure these are super cool when you get to know them really well too. But it's just like, and you just know every little line you want to rip and all the little extras and stuff. Whoa! Ooh! Everything else is really slick. It's like the 4th or 5th time I've already washed out a bit. Just gotta stay on the rock. It's just so cool the way that these rocks all form like this. Trillions and gazillions of years ago. Nice. Oh, that one had some dust on it. I wasn't sure if I was gonna be able to get it. Oh, man, what a difference going from all the slippery roots in Pacific Northwest. Oh. Okay. Did I up over this? Yeah. So cool. Just all these little ledges. Oh, man. I'm just losing it left and right. That was the practice loop. Now we're getting onto the North Rim. That's a butterfly. Man, it would just be so cool to be one of the first ones to mark these trails, man. And just, the world is your oyster. You go up it. Oh, that's cool. Go straight down now. That's a lot of pedal strikes. I'm surprised I didn't hit it. Wow, so cool. Oh, it's just like riding a wave. Oh, lost my pedal. Just slipped right off. Probably should have stayed in a better gear. Whew. I'm having trouble with these climbs. Sit down. Oh yeah, cool. Oh, that's awesome. So cool. All right. All right. I dropped the chain once. I'm gonna do a running count. Oh wow. It's kind of nuts. Oh my goodness. That's just incredible. Wow. You can see some snow way out on the peaks far away from here. It's so cool. A little bit of flow. Woo! It's pretty cool.
Non-stop. Non-stop.
Ooh, nice climb here too. Come on, all the way. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm proud of that one. It's gonna be a lot of video to edit. I'm all hung up. Oh. That didn't have any give. Those views are nuts. Coming up on the edge is very disorienting. Oh, come on. Yeah. So much I could like. My arms hurt already. Oh, wow. I thought that was a bonus line. Sorry. Here she roll. Oh, that was tight. Oh, that was pretty smooth. Hell yeah. Alright, I got this. Wow. Okay. So good. I'm always proud when I get those. That's not my forte. All right, let's see how this goes. So close. Watch the pedals. We go down the gut. Yeah. Aha. Left. Okay, that was the northern rim, and now we are on yellow. Oop. And this is the first black diamond, so let's see if it's a decent step up. Hopefully not the little climbs, but the descents. But I have a feeling it's gonna be both. Definitely want to have a what's it called? A dropper for this trail. Lots of raising and lowering it. You got this. Oh. Threw me off just enough. All right. Keep on keeping on. All right, here we go. There we go. Okay. Cool. There's a little descent action. A lot of pedal strikes. That little root confused me. Ooh, this is kicking my butt. I am tired. Just like physically. Oh. And the flowy sections feel so good. Oh no, I actually lost the back tire on that one. Got hung up. But man, the flowy sections feel so good after just doing all this rock crawling. Cool, so that was the yellow trail, and now we've matched up with the white trail, which is just like fire road, I guess, here. And it's going to take us over to the trail to go to the point, Gooseberry Point. So just a little bit of fire road here. All right, we are going to the point now. So this is called Point Trail. Oh yeah, I can't get that. Oh, you're supposed to go around. That's cool. Let's do this. Damn, I had the speed. Up and over. Wow. Kind of surprised I got that. Okay. Definitely getting a little hard to follow. Going up. I think we're going right. Wow, that is cool. Oh, spicy. I think there's a super sketchy little crossing here. I'm gonna leave it at that. Wow. Super spooky. So cool. Oh my gosh. 360 degrees. Ooh! This looks like the Red Bull Rampage course. I think they do that actually out in, I think it's in Utah somewhere, or is it Arizona? Not totally sure. But since my mom watches these, I'm gonna walk this section. You're welcome, Mom. On Seth's video the other day, he said that they saw someone fall on this and was hanging off this way. Their hand was hanging off or something. That is spooky. All right. So that was going up the point trail, was it? Yeah, I think it's Gooseberry Point Trail. So now we're gonna head back and let's stay right. And do, all right, I'm gonna do this one. All right, that's not so bad. Sorry, Mom. And then we do the southern rim. Hey, some downhill. maybe, I can't remember. I don't think it's this one. Pretty steep, but not impossible. Okay. Yeah, so we'll be doing the southern rim now, and that's also a black. Generally, best of both worlds. Oh, how did I get that? I had given up before I even hit it. Oh, man, you can just be so far forward. Your tire's just gonna stick. Well, my shifting's been better than I thought it would be. I think I already said that. Oh, forgot about that one. Oh, I think there's another. Is it this way? There's so many. Alright, I'll just do this one. Maybe a little too easy. Oh, I thought I saw one that I wanted to do. Maybe my eyes were bigger than my balls. Alright, this is gonna be the rim trail. There's an option. You can either take this all the way back, or at a certain point you can break off into like a canyon trail, and that actually sounds really cool. Looks like you're like kind of weaving through stuff, so I might actually end up doing that, depending on how this goes. I was hoping that this is going to be mostly descending, but that's probably wishful thinking. Oh, look at that. Oh, going for it. Just kidding. Sorry, Mom. He's saying sorry to her a lot this time. The hell was I saying? Oh, this is cool. Will he make it? Ah, I slid out. Cool. Is it outright? I don't think so. Yeah, it kind of is. Okay. Hey, what? That is not very obvious. Ooh, all right. Don't push me. Definitely a bit more exposed on this side. Oh, that was cool. Ooh-wee. Got some grass out there. Or maybe that's just a bunch of sagebrush. Okay, this is pretty amazing. Wow, crazy. Pretty incredible where mountain bikes can take you. There's just so much cool stuff, so much different kind of terrain out there, and people want to see it, and mountain bike is a great way to do that. All right. Let's see. Whew, not bad. I almost just didn't even try. Lizard, don't fall, little buddy. South side. Oh, we're so lucky in the US too to have such a giant country. Oh no, there's so much different terrain. I'm sure there's some people who go their whole lives riding just kind of the same stuff, which can be great. You get really good at that. You get really fast at your home trail. But man, for me, the variety is the spice of life. Ooh, this is a little spicy. Okay. Trying to stay up. That was dope. Nice slow tech. Oh, I thought that was gonna be a hook. Oh, what a cool feature. Oh, oh no. Okay. Oh, I'm in the wrong gear. Didn't matter. Okay. This is a whole other kind of physical trail, you know. I mean, I know chunky stuff will eat up all your suspension and your arms will be tired. But this is like a little bit of both. Hands. Right. I think that's what it was saying. Yeah. That's so cool. Wow. Alright, a few little drops on here. There's another one. Skirt. It's awkward. Whoa. Wrong way. Oh, the shifting is starting to get me. Left. Okay. right. Straight. Okay. Right. Nice. So good. Cool. Oh, that was a tough one. Oh, this one's kind of janky too. I love going up these little canyon things. This feels so cool. Oh, this looks tough. Yeah, that's bad. Is it this way? Yeah. Cool. Oh, starting to lose all the energy. Oh, what the heck? Okay. How does that have pedal strikes? Oh, coming up. I was like, what? All the way through. Can't believe you can hold that. That's just crazy. Oh, this is cool. Excuse me. Every time my front wheel goes up smoothly over a 1 foot rock, it's like, oh yeah, you could ride trials. Not. Oh God. Riding the wave. Almost bouncing me off the bike. Oh, this is cool. Stay high. Yeah. Oh. So cool. I need a break. Oh, this way. especially my skin. I should just throw the damn gloves on, but I've gone this far. See some white dots. Ew. Whoops. Oh, left or right? Oh, there it is. It's just so hard to tell. Okay. Alright. Yeah, left. Okay. What? Where am I going? Oh. It's confusing. Oh, so cool. Oh, hit my hand a little bit there. Little flow. Very cool. Going up between? I don't think so. Kind of one last little loop, looks like, section, and then we are back at the car. But yeah, still on the South Rim Trail. Oh, look at this. Oh. Cool. This way. and left. It's a weird choice. Huh. Okay. Just making sure you're still paying attention. Oh. That's tough with the little ledge dip thing. Oh. Left. Little big root. Cleared it. Ah. Man. But it's also like a Tuesday. Oh, sick. There we go. Nice. Oh, jeez. That was a pretty amazing ride. Just crazy views up there. That was probably the coolest views I've ever seen on a bike ride. And yeah, as always, riding Slickrock is just fun as hell. You just are stuck onto everything. And yeah, that really, you know, those were black diamonds, but everything was rollable. And well, at least the way that I went, everything was rollable. Everything you can go super slow on. I probably never even got faster than, 15 miles an hour. So yeah, this is really a very cool unique type of riding if you haven't been on Slickrock before. Really cool, pretty incredible ride. Maybe one of my all-time favorites. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and have a good day. Bye-bye. Home sweet home.